Hello friends, welcome once again. Today we are going to talk about same software last time we discussed, and that is Icecream video editor. So today we are going to talk about its interface. Interface means some components, some tools, some commands used by that software to solve our task. So it also means that how we communicate with that software. So that communicating environment, it is termed as interface. So today we are going to talk about some of these components. We are going to use them. So how to use them and what is the meaning of that component? Let's open it. So here is item video editor. Now we can see here different parts. So let's start that discussion from top one. So first line we can see a media library. It contains some tools, add files. If we click add files, then it opens open dialog box, and using this we can import some files, maybe the video, maybe the image, maybe the audio, etc. Similarly, next is add color. If we want to add color, then just we can choose from here. If suppose our project it actually contains many files and we want to display them over this area where my that mouse is, you can see, then just simply we can click this asterisk. It displays all the files whatever we are using. Next is a video. It displays only video files whatever we have imported. Next is the image. It displays only image files we are working with. Next is audio file. It displays only audio files we are dealing with. Next is search. If our project contains large number of files and we want to search particular one, then we can use the search button. Next is the viewing concept. So how to view that of all the files? Either we can use small icons, we can use large icons. So these all are the components of media library. Just below of media library we can see drag and dropping area. If we click this, then it opens open dialog box, and using this we can import some files, maybe the audio, maybe the video, maybe the image, etc. And on just right side of this drag and drop area we can see the playing window, playing component, and this we can use to play our video whatever we have imported here. By clicking this play button, we can extend the area by using this extend button. Full screen we can make it. And just beneath of this drag and drop area we can see timeline. About this timeline, how to work with it, actually in next video I'll be talking in detail. Just you understand that this is timeline area. We can that drag and drop all the videos from here to here. We can put images, we can merge videos, we can merge video with audio, etc. We can do everything here. This is timeline area. Next we can see our my project. My project means whatever project we are working with we can see here. And if you want to create new project, just we can click create new project. It creates new project. If not, we want to work with existing ones, then we can see all the old projects here, and just we can click and it opens. So that was of the my project. Next is a landscape. Landscape means it is called aspect ratio. Aspect ratio means ratio of uh, width and height. Width and height we can say. Uh, Here, if we take landscape, then its width is 16. It means it is bigger in size, whereas 9 is its height. It means it is smaller in size. It means if we take this 16 is to 1 landscape aspect ratio, it means it is going to record our video, shoot our video in big display in big area. So we just recommended it. Whereas when you talk about the landscape 4 is to 3, then it is smaller than 16 is to 1. Similarly, when you talk about the portrait means vertical shooting of our video, and its aspect ratio is 9 is to 16, means 9 is its width, so it is small we can say, and smaller than landscape. whereas 16 means height, so it's a little bit bigger in height than the landscape. Similarly, other portraits and on Instagram, so we can see here. So depending upon requirement, we can choose anyone. So mostly we choose this landscape 16:1 for the large screen and better viewing. So these are the aspect ratio. Next is just setting. So setting it contains some updates and status, hardware decoder, and the language we want to use in our software. And here is auto save. If you can choose uh, how you want to save your project automatically itself in every 2 minutes. If you choose, then it saves your project itself in every 2 minutes, and so on. So it was about the setting. Next is export video. Actually it is disabled right now, but what it does actually, after completing our project, we can export this total video to a particular format, maybe mp4, maybe avi, or maybe any other format. So this was a general discussion of this software, and just we can know in detail when we start working with them. So in next video I'll be talking about uh, some these all the tools with live examples. Till then, take care and goodbye.